What exactly is this person squeezing, causing so much liquid to come out? For some people, squeezing this can be a calming way to relax and relieve stress. The liquid produced has a distinctive ginger-like aroma and can be used as a natural shampoo alternative. This is a flower from the beehive ginger plant, which is commonly found in Asia and is also a popular plant in Hawaii. In some Asian countries, this plant is known as one of the ingredients in traditional medicine.